Go ahead.
Okay, so Maddie. She's gonna like slide down. She's like, oh my god, you gotta get this, Mom. Mom, you gotta get this.
I can't get over there, Pete.
You can't?
I'll get snow up my boots. Oh, poor Maddie. Maddie!
Are you cold? You wanna get cold? Ah!
There she goes. Go on, Maddie. Go on. Go on. Go down the stairs.
She's scared.
Call her.
Maddie! Maddie, come. Here. Come on.
Go on, Maddie. Go on. Oh, Petey. Keep going. She's going to be full of little snowballs underneath. Look at her. She can't.
Oh my god! I'm on the ground! I feel it! I feel the grass!
Come on, you got to shovel her a path.
Oh, she's like sticking her nose in it!
She's like, forget this.
Oh my god, this is so funny! This is so funny!
All right, signing off.